Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss about the roadmap for data science. तो मुझे काफ़ी क्वेश्चंस आ रहे थे लोगों के कि डेटा साइंस में हम कैसे स्टार्ट करें, व्हाट इज़ द स्टार्टिंग लेवल एंड क्या-क्या चीज़ें करना पड़ेगा. So I thought of creating this video which will help the beginners जिन्हें डेटा साइंस के बारे में कुछ नहीं पता या फिर जो थोड़ा बहुत जानते हैं, उन लोगों के लिए ये वीडियो है. So let's get started. So to get into data science, first you need to understand the basics. So basics का हर कोई फील्ड में मेन चीज़ जो होता है वो बेसिक्स होता है. So आपको बेसिक समझने में फोकस करना चाहिए. मैथमेटिक्स, स्टैटिस्टिक्स, प्रोग्रामिंग एंड विजुअलाइजेशन टूल्स. सो प्रोग्रामिंग में अगर आपको पाइथन लेना है तो पाइथन और आर भी ले सकते हैं आप. In that you need to understand the variables, data types, functions in Python or R, loops, conditional statements, and all these basic things. Then visualization tools may you can choose any tools like Power BI, Tableau, Excel, Google Data Studio. These are the famous ones which are used in the market. So you should get familiarized with these basic concepts of data science. Next thing is choosing any one programming language. So after you understand the basic things between these two, Python programming language or R, you can choose any one of these जिसमें आपका इंटरेस्ट आ रहा है या फिर आपको जिसमें लगता है कि मेरा ज़्यादा अच्छा स्कोप पाइथन में होगा या फिर आर में होगा. So both of these are the most popular ones for data science. इसमें से आप कोई भी एक चूज कर सकते हैं. There are plenty online resources and tutorials available for both the language. You can get a professional course, certification course, or you can learn from YouTube, Udemy, or Coursera also. After that, data analysis libraries. So for Python, the main data analysis libraries are the NumPy and Pandas. These are mainly used for the data manipulation and analysis. And if you are choosing R, then there is dplyr and tidyr libraries for data wrangling in R. ये सब करने के बाद the main thing is visualization. So visualization के लिए आप Excel, Power BI, Tableau, Google Data Studio, Python और R, ये tools में से you can choose any one or two. So Excel, you can create in Excel basic charts and pivot tables are very easily created in Excel, and many companies still prefer Excel. Then there is Power BI which is very famous, काफी famous है अभी Power BI, latest में चल रहा है because it is user friendly. इसका interactivity is very user friendly, like जो person डेटा साइंस में नहीं भी है वो भी उससे इंटरेक्ट कर सकता है उसके वीडियो से. And then there is Tableau, which is also easy but very powerful visualization tool. And then there is Google Data Studio, which is I think is easiest visualization tool. उसमें भी काफ़ी इंटरेक्टिव रिपोर्ट बन जाते हैं काफ़ी आसानी से, एंड डाइवर्स डेटा भी यू कैन कनेक्ट देयर. देन एडवांस लेवल के विजुअलाइजेशन करना है अगर, सो देर आर सम कैपेबिलिटीज with the library of matplotlib in Python and ggplot in R. So you can also explore that. I will suggest choose any one of from all of these and master in that. That will be very beneficial. There is statistics and probability, which is the main pillar in data science. For doing the analysis of data, you need statistics and probability. So you should try to gain a solid understanding of these things. Mean, median, mode, and probability theories like probability distribution, hypothesis testing, and regression analysis. After doing the basics, you can go deeper in that also. And after that you can directly jump into machine learning. So for machine learning also I would suggest you start with the basic algorithms. So there are two types of machine learning algorithms. One is supervised learning and another one is unsupervised. So in those two also there are basic algorithms which are mainly used, like the linear regression, logistic regression, decision tree, and random forest. And in unsupervised learning, there is clustering and dimensionality reduction. After doing all this, I would suggest you to start working on a small data science project of your own. And you should not think, "Okay, how I will do, kaise main karu kya." Just start. There is a website called Gaggle, which is very famous. There are a lot of data sets for exploration, and there are also people's project where people have done the analysis and have participated in competitions where you can also join in a competition, or you can do it that with one of your colleagues also, colleagues, college mates, schoolmates, or anyone. You can do personal project as well. And there is open source projects also available where you can contribute. So practice will make you perfect. Then there's come the advanced topics. So advanced topic इसमें actually बहुत सारी चीजें हैं करने के लिए. There is no limit. You can explore the advanced topics such as deep learning, natural language processing, time series analysis. इसमें से also you can get any one thing, पर्टिकुलर थिंग पे आप फोकस करके उस पे ही आप आगे बढ़ना चाहते हैं. जैसे डीप लर्निंग में है, आपको इंटरेस्ट आ रहा है, सो यू कैन डू डीप लर्निंग ओनली. इससे आपका एक स्किल फॉर्म होगा विच विल हेल्प यू इन लॉन्ग टर्म. Then after that, I would highly suggest creating a portfolio. So creating a portfolio is not a necessity but very beneficial because portfolio से आप showcase कर सकते हैं आपके projects and skills जो आप जब job apply करेंगे, या फिर आप डिसाइड करते हैं कि यू वांट टू डू फ्रीलांसिंग. सो उसके लिए भी इट इज़ वेरी बेनिफिशियल. यू कैन जस्ट शो योर पोर्टफोलियो, गिव देम द लिंक, they will go through it. That get you on the front line in the competition. Get a professional certification course, I would suggest. That will add up in your resume. And then in technology, there is no limit. Every now and then, new technologies are coming in. So staying updated with the latest trends, techniques, and tools is highly recommended. You should read blogs, read articles to stay updated with the latest technology. This was the roadmap to data science. I hope you liked my video. It was very basic level to make you understand how you can get into data science, and that it is not a very rocket science to start with data science. So yeah, if you have any questions or any doubts, or if you didn't understand anything, you can comment down below and I will try my best to answer that. Thank you.